Welcome to the best picks. The Best Instant Ace Nova blender is probably one of the most versatile and powerful blenders on the market, making quick work of everything from frozen fruits and vegetables to nuts and seeds, and its sleek design will look great on any countertop. In this video, we will put it through a series of rigorous tests to determine whether it lives up to the hype and if it's the right blender for you. Number 5. PowerLix Handheld Milk Frother. This little frother makes light work of creating creamy milk froth. Perfect for your morning coffee or a decadent cappuccino. It's battery operated, so you can froth milk anywhere without needing a plug. Simply heat your milk, immerse it, and watch the froth appear. Made with high-quality stainless steel and a powerful motor, it's built to last. The dual-spring whisk creates extra creamy froth in seconds. Its sleek design looks great in any kitchen. And it's not just for coffee, use it for milkshakes, cocktails, or any other beverage. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a lifetime warranty and a free bonus ebook. Order yours today and enjoy perfectly frothed drinks. What we like? It's small and cordless, perfect for a quick frothy coffee in the morning. If you are looking for a convenient way to make delicious coffee drinks without the fuss, this is the perfect choice. You'll love how easy it is to use and clean. What people say. It also froths the cream and coffee at the same time. I make a chai tea latte most mornings and this has worked like a charm, frothing milk to go in it. The stand that comes with it is absolute perfection and is worth paying a slightly higher price to get. Number 4. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. This is the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender, designed for culinary precision and ease of use. It's perfect for creating everything from smooth soups to chunky salsas. With 10 variable speeds, you have complete control over the texture of your creations. Achieve perfectly smooth purees or hearty soups with ease. The pulse feature lets you add coarse ingredients on top of smooth blends, creating delicious textures like chunky salsas and thick vegetable soups. The 48-ounce container is ideal for blending medium batches, perfect for small family meals or meal prepping. It features hardened, aircraft-grade stainless steel blades that effortlessly handle even the toughest ingredients, ensuring consistent results every time. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and it cleans itself in under a minute. The radial cooling fan and thermal protection system ensure it runs smoothly and safely. It's built to last. Your Vitamix E310 comes with the motor base, a 48-ounce container, and a handy mini tamper. Everything you need to get started. What we like? This blender offers precise control over blending textures, ensuring perfect results every time. If you need a powerful and versatile blender for various culinary tasks and appreciate a self-cleaning function, this is a great option. It's built to last and makes cleanup a breeze. What people say? It makes everything into a perfect formula. Even the harder meats. We blended pork chops and it had no problems and I haven't even turned it past 7 yet. It can blend barely cut up carrots, chunks of garlic and ginger very easily. I only have to use low to medium blending range. This model is very powerful and blends our smoothie without a problem in less than a minute. It seems very durable. Number 3. Ninja Foodi HB150C Blender. It's more than just a blender. It crushes ice and heats ingredients for endless possibilities. Prepare to experience a whole new level of culinary creativity. With its powerful motor, it effortlessly blends smoothies, frozen drinks, and extracts nutrients. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies and hello to perfectly smooth creations. It doesn't just blend, it also heats. Quickly prepare soups, sauces, and even melt chocolate for fondue, all in one appliance. Unlock a world of flavor infusions. Create spa waters, craft cocktails, and unique mixers with ease. The possibilities are endless. The large glass pitcher has a non-stick coating and a heated clean program, making cleanup quick and easy. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. It features 12 preset Auto IQ programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, sauces, and more. Simply select a program and let it do the work. You'll receive a powerful motor base, a large 64-ounce glass pitcher, a tamper, a cleaning brush, and a recipe guide to inspire your culinary journey. What we like? It blends both hot and cold ingredients, opening up a world of culinary possibilities. If you want a versatile machine that can handle a wide range of recipes with ease and speed, this is for you. The large capacity is perfect for families or entertaining. What people say. The solid glass and built-in blade, no plastic in sight, is incredible and far quieter and more powerful than my previous blender. Self-clean is a game changer. Since it heats, makes amazing soup too, cleaning is easier than ever before. Processes chicken thighs like a charm. Number 2. Vitamix 750 Blender. This is the Vitamix 750 blender, designed for effortless blending and cleaning. It's powerful, versatile, and perfect for any kitchen. With 5 pre-programmed settings, it makes smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, and more with ease. Just select your setting and walk away. It offers variable speed control and a pulse feature, so you can customize the texture of every blend. Get exactly the consistency you want. The low-profile 64-ounce container is perfect for families and entertaining. It easily fits under most cabinets, saving valuable counter space. Its hardened stainless steel blades are built to last, delivering consistent results every time. It handles even the toughest ingredients with ease. Cleaning is a breeze. It cleans itself in under a minute with just a drop of soap and warm water. It comes with a motor base, a 64-ounce low-profile container, a cookbook, and a tamper. Everything you need to start blending. What we like. With pre-programmed settings and a powerful motor, it simplifies the blending process. If you value convenience and consistent results, and need a powerful blender that doesn't take up too much counter space, this is the one for you. It's perfect for busy individuals and families. What people say. It blends fast and it's easy to clean. I thought I wouldn't care for the square container, but it's practical and allows for layering fruits and veggies. Also, the blender recipe book that this comes with is awesome. Vitamix blends everything from kale and veggies, to protein smoothies, to fruit, yogurt, and ice smoothies. The ice is well blended and not in little bits and pieces. It's simple to clean if you do it right after use and has lots of different power levels. This one makes soups and comes with a recipe book, but I haven't tried any of that stuff. My husband and I use this machine twice a day. It's way better than the cheaper blenders where the motor burns out after a few months and it doesn't blend well. Number 1. GE 5-Speed Blender. This blender is a kitchen essential, perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and more. Its powerful motor and versatile settings make blending easy and efficient. It boasts a 1000-watt motor, easily crushing ice and pureeing frozen fruit. You'll get perfectly smooth results every time. With 5 speeds and a pulse function, you have complete control over the blending process. Customize the texture to your liking. The large 64-ounce jar lets you make big batches, enough for 7 to 9 servings. Perfect for parties or meal prepping. Its durable stainless steel blades and exterior are built to last. The 6 serrated and 2 knife-edge blades ensure efficient blending. The powerful vortex action pulls ingredients to the center for thorough blending. Experience perfectly smooth and consistent results. What we like. This blender boasts a powerful motor and a large capacity jar, ideal for making large batches of smoothies or other blended drinks. If you need a workhorse blender for large quantities and appreciate a robust design, this is a great option. Its durable blades will handle even the toughest ingredients. What people say. Works perfectly for the kids' smoothies, sharp looking, not hard to clean, easy to operate. I like the click-in locking feature, and quieter. More than powerful enough for iced smoothies without any strain and fast enough for creating creamy items like hummus. Blades and mechanical parts are solidly constructed. Blends quickly and efficiently. Surprisingly, the blender is one of the quieter blenders I have ever owned, which is important to me for when I make a smoothie in the morning. The ice and frozen fruit pulverizes very quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.